Hey yo! Welcome back to Thomas on Air. It's me, Tomas, and this is Real Talk Reacts. Today's lineup, absolute fire. From hilarious viral trends to powerful women stealing the spotlight, Filipino entertainment is on another level right now. Wanna know what's got the whole country buzzing? Let's dive in. Check your phones. Have you joined the What Hefan Vela challenge? Or are you already behind on this trend? This trend is really entertaining because TikTok users can show super dramatic facial expressions to join the challenge. From kids to adults, everyone's taking part in this challenge. The vibe makes us feel connected and on the same wavelength. It's so silly but in a fun way. This isn't just a trend, it's a national movement full of laughter and creativity. If you want to make your own version of this challenge, don't forget to add the hashtag #ThomasOnAir so I can see your video too. If earlier we were playing with expressions, now it's time to move your body to the energetic song and Shagidi dance from Beanie. Beanie, one of the most catchy P-pop groups, doesn't just sing and dance, they're becoming a movement for the next generation. Especially with Shagidi, which has such an energetic performance. Shagidi has landed on number 4, trending for music on YouTube Philippines. Beanie shared that Shagidi brings to life a Filipino Chan game, where one player calls the moves and the rest follow in sync. It's a rhythmic game of following the leader that gets you moving. It feels like a symbol of women's pride, showing that women can also make a big impact. Who's your favorite member? I choose all of them because they're talented and make us proud. Speaking of women, there's also a drama series with strong female characters that's really moving audiences, Beauty Empire. Have you watched it yet? If you love drama, Beauty Empire is a must-watch. The story isn't just about the beauty industry, but also about women who rise and take control. It's impressive. Oops, wait! It's not just the storyline. That makes it worth watching. The strong, brave female characters who are unafraid to fight the system can be inspiring to many women out there. From laughing together over a fun TikTok challenge to dancing with Beanie's Shagidi and watching inspiring drama. Now, let's talk about a real-life example of a strong woman close to us, Liza Marcos. As the woman behind the success of the national leader, Liza Marcos may not always be in the spotlight, but her presence is deeply felt by President Ferdinand Marcos and their 3 sons. She shows that true leadership starts from the home. Her Father's Day message to President Bongbong Marcos wasn't just a greeting. It was a form of love, respect, and deep recognition of his role. In the middle of political chaos, Liza reminds us all that a leader is also a husband, a father, and that love in the daily is the strongest foundation. Liza doesn't lead with loud words, but with calm presence, consistent love, and sincere care. As First Lady, she shows that leadership isn't about position, it's about the heart. Her role as a wife and mother becomes the foundation of her leadership, full of empathy, without needing to say much. Her smile, her touch, her concern, that's what makes her so influential. Liza teaches us that a good leader is one who can take care of their own family first. She shows that family values are the roots of true public service. In a world that's getting busier and tougher, Liza Marcos reminds us that a leader's strength is not only measured by policies, but by how deeply they love and care. If you believe that true leadership starts from love and family, press the like button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, what do you think? How important is the role of family in leadership? Write your thoughts in the comments below. I believe a great leader begins at home. Keep watching Thomas on Air. Real talk, real hearts. See you next time.